In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Eventbrite discount code. This is a valuable skill for anyone looking to boost event attendance and offer special deals to their audience. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to sign into your Eventbrite account. This ensures your security and gives you access to all the necessary tools. Once you're logged in, open your event dashboard. Here you will see a list of your events. Select the event for which you want to create a discount code. This step is crucial because each code is tied to a specific event. From there, navigate to the Tickets section and click on Promotions. This area is where you manage all your promotional efforts. Next up, select the option to create an access or promo code. It's important to choose the right type of code because it determines how your attendees will use it. Now, let's configure the code. Start by entering a code name such as SAVE20. This is what your attendees will enter during checkout. Choose a discount amount. You can set a fixed amount or a percentage. For example, you might offer a $10 discount or a 10% discount. This flexibility is great because it allows you to tailor the offer to your audience's needs. You can also set a ticket limit if you want to control how many times the code can be used. This is optional, but it can be useful for managing your event capacity. Additionally, define start and end dates for the discount code if you want it to be available for a limited time. Setting a time frame creates a sense of urgency, encouraging early signups. Another important step is selecting the applicable ticket types. This ensures that the discount is applied only to the tickets you specify. With all these details configured, click Save. This makes sure your changes are saved, and your attendees can now enter the code during checkout to receive the discount. After creating the code, you might want to share it effectively. Return to promo codes and find your newly created code. Click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu offers additional options for managing your code. Select Share Code URL to get a link that automatically applies the discount during checkout. This makes it easy for attendees to use the discount without any hassle. If you're planning multiple promotions, you can create multiple discount codes at once. This is a time-saving feature that helps you manage large events with diverse audiences. Now, let's briefly discuss the difference between access codes and discount codes. Promo or discount codes reduce ticket prices, making your event more appealing. Access codes, on the other hand, reveal hidden ticket types without necessarily providing a discount. This distinction is important because each type serves a different purpose. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating an Eventbrite discount code. By following these steps, you can offer your attendees enticing deals and increase your event's success. Remember, the key to a successful promotion is knowing your audience and using the right tools to reach them. Thank you for watching, and happy event planning.